Welcome to Salud and Lifestyle Channel. Welcome to Salud and Lifestyle Channel.
Cooking more meals at home is a sure way to eat healthy and cut down on total food costs to save you big bucks over the course of the year. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American family spends upwards of $7,000 on food annually, with 43% of that total, or roughly $3,000, going toward restaurant and takeout meals. And with a dinner out costing anywhere between $12 and $30 per person, or an average of $21, it doesn't take long for the bill to add up. Related, everything you need to eat well on a budget in this 7-day meal plan, cheap ingredients, and pantry staples, like whole wheat pasta, canned chickpeas, and canned tomatoes, are the secret to budget meal planning and making healthy, cost-friendly dinners. Coming in at a total weekly cost of about $15 per person, or $60 for a family of 4, this plan will feed you for the whole week for less than what a single dinner out might cost. Let's do the math. 7 days of dinner out at an average of $21 per meal equals $147, versus 7 days of dinner at home, using the recipes in this meal plan equals $15, which would put you at a savings of about $130 per person per week. With the healthy budget recipes in this week's meal plan, you'll keep your stomach happy and give your wallet a break. Slices of roasted eggplant and zucchini act as the noodles in this healthy lasagna, and sweet Italian sausage, a relatively inexpensive meat option, add savory flavor. Serve with 1½ cups mixed greens dressed with 1 tablespoon. Look for whole wheat or whole grain ravioli in the refrigerated or frozen section of the supermarket, or substitute tortellini. Serve with 2 slices whole wheat baguette, toasted and drizzled with 1 Tbsp. Olive oil equals $2.13 per serving. Day 3. Jalapeño-Popper stuffed chicken. Jalapeño-Popper stuffed chicken, 5 ingredients, not including salt, pepper, and olive oil, is all you need to make this mouth-watering stuffed chicken breast with a creamy jalapeno-popper filling. Serve with 1 cup steamed fresh green beans. Equals $2.28 per serving. Day 4. Two-cheese fusilli with marinated tomatoes. Two-cheese fusilli with marinated tomatoes. In this healthy vegetarian recipe, cheap whole wheat fusilli combines with tomatoes, garlic, and cheese to create a delicious pasta dinner. This recipe calls for fresh tomatoes, but you could substitute canned tomatoes. For the most flavor, choose canned whole tomatoes and dice them yourself. Equals $1.71 per serving. Day 5. Bacon-wrapped chicken with roasted zucchini. Bacon-wrapped chicken with roasted zucchini, We wrap tender chicken with strips of bacon that crisp up when placed under the broiler. It's a fast recipe for a satisfying, healthy meal. Serve with 1/2 cup cooked brown rice. Serve with some fresh baguette slices to sop up any remaining sauce. Serve with 1 4-inch chunk baguette equals $1. $94 for serving day 7. No-cook black bean salad. No-cook black bean salad. In this flavorful no-cook bean salad recipe, low-cost canned black beans are amplified into a delicious dinner salad when mixed with corn, tomatoes, red onions, and leafy greens, and dressed with the creamy, easy-to-make avocado dressing. Equals $3.58 per serving. Watch how to make noodle-less lasagna. Don't miss cheap healthy lunch ideas for work. Get a week of 5-ingredient dinners for less than $50. How to stock your pantry. A cheap healthy meal plan to feed my family for $10.00 for the week.